cars come. Yeah. Take.
If I look backwards, I usually turn those dirt flying backwards, right?
Yeah.
Thing is, he dust clouds. So if there's enough bikes, it seldom.
Hello?
Anything cause a storm, basically. Because the eyes in my eyes.
Amazing. Not fast, just slowly going around the course, but so amazing. Alright, I'm gonna put my helmet on and 一回やらせて. Yeah, take your... Just go slow. That's my only advice.
Alright, Taiki, I'm gonna go once, okay? What? 初めてなんですよ。やったことない。とにかくゆっくりですよね。うん。
もしダメだったらクラクションピーピーピーピーピーピーピーって鳴らす。
そうだね。誰か助けに来て。Yeah. I'll take it real slow. Ah. わかりました。But what is it? Is it just all the way from?
There's only one real trail, and then when you get here, it's kind of a little trickier.
Okay. God, this is such a tall bike, though. I don't feel confident. Okay. All right. I'm not used to your bike. What? Holy God, I'm not used to this at all. Most people are probably flying over these bumps, right? Whoa! Holy shit. Ooh. Woo! Oh man. Yeah. Did you see me? Yeah. I was like, wow, what's going on? Yeah, that was like crazy. My camera's probably facing down half of the time.
It's facing up now, so I think you're good. I came out here, but it looks like it might go around a little bit more.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to try a little?
I'll just go around one bit and then.
Right. Yeah.
Oh my God. Really? Yeah. You take him because it's too freaky for me.
No craziness, of course. You're gonna have to put the stand down.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna sink in.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. All right, Taiki, you want to get on? It's crazy.
I have to get my helmet, so we do have to put.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Maybe it's okay. It can sink. They have it packed down.
Did you see me?
How you almost jumped.
Yeah, did I almost jump? Did you like, whoa, did you see that?
Better touch down.
Hmm?
Better touch down. Hey, what time is it?
After one round, we'll go home, okay? I don't hear you anymore. I think you got I think your thing unplugged.
No?
No? Is it in all the way? Because I heard the suddenly and then.
I just pushed the button now to reach
Huh.
maybe. But
Hello?
Once
Oh, okay, I hear you now.
Once I get out, I don't think I'll hear you anymore.
Okay.
If he has trouble, tap me on the shoulder or punch me or something.
Okay, talk. If it's too scary or if you're falling off, tap him. Okay, tap him on the shoulder.
Hey! Stop!
Okay. Or Taiki, I'll tell you what. I'll give you my. Once he gets on, I'll put this on him. Just this unit.
Ah, okay.
And okay,
You can hear me.
Taiki, put your feet on this. Can you get on with him?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. All right, hold on. I'm just switching this out. Can you hear Steve? Say hello.
Hi.
Can you hear him?
If you have any
Okay.
trouble, let me know, okay?
All right. Hold on to. He should stand up, right? Or
Like that.
just hold on real tight, okay? Real tight onto the.
If there's any trouble, just say, okay? Then go through it.
You can hear Taiki screaming. Woo, hold on, Taiki.